The New Balance 991 V2 continues to stand out as one of the top made-in UK sneakers, even as news circulates about the original 991 making a return. Built with comfort in mind and finished with premium materials, this silhouette proved its staying power throughout 2025 and shows no signs of slowing down. A newly surfaced grey and peach colorway highlights the model's refined design, featuring a black mesh base, soft off-white midsole tones, and a clean, snowy sockliner. The subtle contrast in the underlays adds depth while keeping the look timeless and wearable. Fans may notice similarities to past premium releases, especially in the way muted colors balance the classic New Balance aesthetic. The 991 V2 has already begun appearing at select European retailers, signaling a broader release ahead. Expect an official NewBalance.com launch in the coming weeks, with the familiar premium price point reflecting its craftsmanship and made-in UK heritage.